Back again, people. It's about Rich Kid and King James today with another good lord fatal blow combo in the corner. We're doing it against Jackie Briggs, you know. It's because it's against a female hitbox. We want to get it against a character that it's difficult to land hits against while she's in the darn air.
We're doing it against a spawn bitch here, you know what I'm saying? I'm kidding peeps. But we're gonna do the combo. It's your boy Rich Kid gonna do this one, you don't know.
Thank you, peeps. You know, this combo is not really that hard, but you know, it's not really that easy to get as well. Please leave a like, comment, and please, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel for more content. We're trying to upload very, you know, quickly during our 1 or 2 days time period, but we're kind of busy, so that's why I haven't been uploading regularly. But you know, please, folks.
I can just start the thing first of all. Yo, send me to you, man, the dark on my camera. Yeah, man, so let's get in. Yo, do it now, Rich Kid. Hi! Yeah, oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, that?
It's on, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's on.
That never said.
Alright, people.
Alright. Second try, you see me? Alright, you get that. Yeah, yeah.
The gun. Come on.
Alright, get it again. Let's go. Bossy, that one not easy, you know, man. You can't get it. Yeah. Oh, wait, never press the button, dog. You press the button.
What triangle out kid game?
Oh, third charge. Let's go. Alright. Alright. Wait, yeah, that whiff. Oh. Hey, that miss. So when hard people against female hitbox. Alright, grab it. Yeah, man, I feel it.
My God, weird.
Which button you press? I must the wrong one. Alright, bossy. Yeah. Alright, check out it, you know. Alright, I'll change that. Oh, yeah, you press it. Jaja.
Come on, button there. See there?
I press it up.
That's what should happen.
Alright, we'll go out there. Our 5th, 6th attempt, we lose count. Alright, go on. Aye.
Jackie!
Yeah, Risky, do it for now, man. We need some subscribers. Bruh. Aye. Yo, what is it? Alright. We got this. Yeah? Alright. Oh, hey.
Go now, come on, bro.
Yeah, catch 4 feet, dog.
See there?
Alright. We're going on again. Alright, bossy. Yeah? Shall I get it on the down my feet?
Gun, come on! The gun! You can't believe some actually I get this, but the gun now, come on.
Man. Take out the gun. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, it's on me, I'll wait, you know. Oh, that miss. Yo, we'll try it again, let's go.
Hold on, the father, I'll go.
Let's try the female hitbox, dog.
Press O as soon as possible. Here, as soon as the cushion bro come off, I press O, so get ready.
Alright, go on through. Alright, make sure the gun come out, you know. Yeah? Yeah. Father. Say the gun come out, dog. Come on now, one money team. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like the oh, come on late, you know. Alright, I'll go on again, let's go. Alright, bossy. Yeah. Jesus Christ, again, dog.
I'm pressing too early.
Alright, feel it now. I have faith in you. That one is possible. Yes! I tell you something, I have faith! I have faith! I want that, brother. Yeah! She dead! Yeah,
oh, 66! Nice.
You don't know, people. Don't forget,
Erron.
If you like the video, please go like, comment, share, subscribe.
Oh goddamn, that took a long while.
Channel, it really did. Yo,
that took a long while.
Yeah, man, it's your boy King James and Rich Kid, and we out, people.